Hello guys, in class 6 exercise 2.2 question number 1 we will see first. Find the sum by suitable arrangement. So what is the meaning of suitable arrangement? Suitable arrangement means you have to arrange your number so that your calculation will become easier. For example, in example A, 3 numbers have been given. So if you do their calculation, if suppose your first second numbers are there, if you solve first then you solve third one, then it will take some time and you have to do more calculation. But if you take first and third number, 7 plus 3 10, last digit will be 0. So you solve such a way that last digit should be 0, whether last 2 digit 0, last 1 digit 0, last 3 digit 0. So what happen, if you add 0 to any number, then you can do easily. So this trick we will use for solving this. So here 3 numbers are there. So what you do 837 plus 363 then plus 208. Got that? What happens, 7 plus 3 coming 10. So this is easier for calculation. That's why we arrange like that. So then it's time to solve that. 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12. 1200 plus 208. So finally your answer is 08 as it is, because 2 zeros are there. 2 plus 2 4. So 1408. This is your answer. Now we are going question number B. You see carefully. First you see 4 digit number. Here 8 plus 2 10. Then 3 digit number 7 plus 3 10 coming. So it is easier if you change their pair. 1962 plus 1538 plus 453 plus 647. So we change the pair. Then it's time to solve. Eight plus 2 10, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15, and finally it is 3. 3500 plus, then next two number you solve. So here 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5, and 5 plus 6 11. 1100. Finally you do their addition. So here 20 as it is, 1 plus 5 6, and 3 plus 1 4. So it is 4600. So you observe we solve easily. Now going into the next question. So now I am in question number 2. Find the product by suitable arrangement. So whatever the concept we use in question number 1 in the addition, same concept we will use in the product. Means we will arrange the number so that our calculation will be easy. In question number A, 3 numbers are there. So if you do 2 into 1768, it will take some time. So we arrange this number. We put 2 with 50, because 2 into 50 is 100. So our calculation will be more easy. So write this number as it is. Here it is 100. So it means 20 you write as it is and write remaining number. So you observe our calculation was very easy, because whenever you do calculation and if you pick up two number, okay, then in last digits 0 are coming, then your calculation will be easier. Now same way we will use in question number B. So 166 write as it is. This number you come closer. So if you use that number in the combination, then your calculation will be again easy, because 4 into 25 it is 100. Finally you write 20 as it is, then 166. That number you write after 0. So finally you got here answer. Then same technique you use in C. So if you multiply 8 into 5, last digit will be 0. So you write that 291 as it is, and this number you use in combination. And finally here 8 into 125, this calculation you do. 8 into 5 40, 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry, 8 into 8 is 8 plus 2 10. So it is 1000 into 291. So finally you write 30 as it is. So this is our answer. Now going into the question number D. So here 6 into 5 means 30. So 279 as it is you write, and then this number you use in the combination because 6 into 5 is 30. So first you do their calculation. 6 into 5 30, 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 1 carry, 6 into 6 36 plus 1 37. 1 into 5 5, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 6 6. Here 5 plus 5 it is 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. Here 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10. So it is 10,000. Finally you write that 40 as it is, and 279, and finally we got our answer. So this is our answer. So you observe, even though the three numbers are there, 3 digits numbers are there, but we done it very easily. Now we are in the next question, E. So here 5 into 0 is 0. So 285 write as it is and make a group of 5 and 60. So here 0 as it is, 6 into 5 30. 285. Finally you do their calculation. 285 into 3, because 20 I am writing as it is. So 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 8 is 24 plus 1 25. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. So here you write 855. So this is our answer. So our answer is 85,500. Going into the next question, question number F. So in the question number F, I am picking this 2 number because 0 into 8 is 0. Okay, 1 to 5, or you can pick this or this number. It depends on you, because here already 0 is there. So if you multiply with any number, last digit will be 0. But here less number of digits is there, only 1 digit is there. So I am solving this first. 8 into 4 is 32. Now I am solving last 2. So 50, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16. Then here 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. Do their addition. 0 as it is, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 then 8. So it is 8,000 into 125. Then write in the answer 30 as it is and do the calculation of 125 into 8. 8 into 5 40, 8 into 2 16 plus 4 20. 8 into 1 is 8 plus 2 10. So it is 1000. So you check there 30 we written as it is, and then rest of the 0 we done using calculation. So this is our number, and this is the answer of question number F. So I hope friend you understood this. Thank you.